In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the popcorn using 4 half double crochets in the same stitch. The number of half double crochets that go into this stitch are defined usually in the pattern. But if you have this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna skip one and go to the second over just for clarity. So you're just going to half double crochet a total of 4 times as normal into the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it looks like a shell at this point. So in order to do this stitch then you just drop the loop and you come to the first one of the group of 4 and right into the first one at the top, and you are going to go towards the back, put the loop back on and pull through, and then that makes it come towards you. Let me show you again. So we said that there was 4 half double crochets in the same one. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then just drop it, come to the first one of the grouping of 4 and then just put the hook loop on the hook and pull through. Now, so you can see it's jumping towards you. It's looking better than it was in the last popcorn, so there's more yarn here. The pop is bigger. Now if it ever told you, which I have seen in patterns, that it's gonna go to the wrong side popcorn, that means that the direction of which you're grabbing those is gonna change. So if it ever said wrong side, let's just put 4 half double crochets in again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if it ever said the wrong side, you'd still drop the loop, and instead of going from the first one from the front to the back, you're gonna go from the back of the first one and bring it towards the front like so, and then grab the loop and pull it through. Do you see the difference? This one's popping forward, this one's popping backward, and depending on what project you're doing it can provide some really cool texture if you're ever interested in that kind of stitch. So this would be how you do the half double crochet using 4 stitches in the same stitch. So this is pretty good. We'll see you again real soon.